Hello from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I'm Nicole Padilla, and today we will make the classic red velvet crinkle cookies. For this recipe, you will need powdered sugar, white or brown sugar, butter, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking powder, flour, eggs, pure vanilla extract, red food coloring, and salt. Now that we have all our ingredients, we can now begin. In a bowl, add flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Then mix your dry ingredients together. On a separate bowl, add butter, sugar, and 1 egg. Then mix your wet ingredients together. After mixing, add your pure vanilla extract and red food coloring. Then completely mix your wet ingredients together. After our wet ingredients are ready, we will now mix it with our dry ingredients. While mixing, make sure to thoroughly combine the wet and dry ingredients. Then cover dough and chill for at least 4 hours in order to prevent spreading when we bake our cookies. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Line your tray with parchment paper or coat it with cooking spray or butter to prevent the cookies from sticking. Then we will now roll the dough into balls. Then coat each ball in confectioner's sugar before placing it onto our prepared tray. Bake in preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 to 12 minutes, allow the cookies to cool down before transferring to a plate of choice. And there you have it, red velvet crinkle cookies that have an irresistible brownie textured center with a crunch of cookie on the outside. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for red velvet crinkles. From Baton Rouge, Louisiana, I'm Nicole Padilla. We live in interesting and delicious times.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to EBC Digital Nest to find purpose in the simple joys of life.